In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a separate page for blog posts in WordPress. We'll build a dedicated blog page using the site editor so your posts live on their own page, separate from your homepage. Start by opening the WordPress site editor. If you're in the dashboard, look for the editor option and open your site's home template. This puts you in the visual canvas where you can create and edit pages and templates. Next, open the navigation panel in the editor and go to Pages. Click Add Page to create a new one. Give your page a clear, simple title. Blog or News works great. Then confirm to create the draft. You'll now be looking at the new page in the editor canvas. With the page open, place your cursor in the main content area and open the block inserter, the plus icon in the editor. Use the search bar to find the block or pattern that lists your posts. Depending on your theme, you might see a pattern named blog roll, blog posts, or a query loop that's pre-configured for posts. Select that pattern to insert it into the page. You should immediately see a preview of your latest posts with titles, dates, excerpts, and featured images based on the pattern's default design. If you want to fine-tune the look, select the posts list on the canvas and open the settings panel on the right. Here, you can adjust layout options, the number of posts shown, excerpt length, and whether to show featured images or author names. These settings don't change your content, just how it's displayed on this page. So feel free to preview different options until it matches your site's style. If your theme includes multiple blog patterns, try swapping them to find one that aligns with your design. When you're happy with the setup, click Save in the top right of the editor. WordPress will ask you to confirm the changes it's about to apply. Click Save again to finalize. If your page is still a draft, go ahead and publish it by clicking Launch. That makes the page live on your site. You now have a standalone page that automatically pulls in your latest posts. This won't replace your homepage, and you can link to it from your site's navigation whenever you're ready. If you don't see posts appear right away, double-check that you have at least one published post and refresh the preview. That's it. Your blog now has a clean, dedicated page. Thanks for watching.